Good morning, Lena.
Good morning, teacher.
How are you?
I am fine, and you?
I am fine too, and thank you. So today I've got a picture here, and this is a picture of Heil Hitler. We know that Heil Hitler in Germany, since it's the same thing in history, they have a history. We know that Germany have a tremendous history, a horrific history towards the treating of other certain types of people. So if you look at this picture as it is Heil Hitler, what do you remember about Hitler, or what do you remember about Germany?
Okay. Okay, so what I remember about German, it's Hitler. Hitler was an Austrian-born German politician who was the leader of Nazi Party from 1933 to 1945. And what I also remember about Hitler is that he hated Jews. Jews were the people who came from other countries and they lived in Germany because they wanted jobs and other items. So Hitler killed Jews because he blamed them for their loss of the First World War. So Hitler killed nearly 6 million Jews, and that was known as the Holocaust. Thank you.
Holocaust. Oh, thank you. Well done. Okay, round of applause for Mr. Evangelist. So, what you're saying is true. Hitler and Germany, they have a horrific history towards Jewish people. Hitler killed many Jews, approximately 6 million Jews, because he said that their race was not pure. So he wanted to get rid of other races in order to promote the German race, which he saw it as the master race or pure race. So Hitler killed them in various ways. He gassed them, he sterilized them, and other people who have disabilities, they were sterilized or they were killed. Other Jews, they were treated as experimental rats. Wherever experiments they wanted to contain, they would take a Jew in one of their concentrated camps, and then they will perform that experiment. For example, Hitler took the salts, the seawater. We know that seawater contains most of salts, or has a high extreme quantity of salt in it. So he injected that salt into the Jews. The Jews died from most of the experiments that the Nazis or Hitler took among them. So this is Hitler. He was the leader of the Nazi. He was the leader of the Nazi. He was the leader of the Nazi around that time, and he did horrific things to other people, more especially Jews and also black people. So, and this is a Jew. This is a Jew, or this is a Jewish people, a Jewish person. This person in the Nazi era would not have lived. They would have been killed by Hitler, or they would have been taken to the concentration camps and became an experimental rat. So Germany does not have a good history in terms of treating people. Since Hitler was their leader, he did most of the horrible things to Jewish people, because Jewish people they came from countries like Poland, like Turkey, like Hungary. So one of the few examples of Jewish people. So Hitler also invaded their countries and taking them into his concentration camps. So this is a Jewish people, and this is a Germany. This is a Germany logo, or this is a German national flag. German and Hitler, past reminds us of what's happened during the Nazi era or the past era. Thank you.
Say right?
Where